If you've heard people talking about the Temu affiliate program and getting free stuff from it, but you weren't sure how it actually works, this video will clear everything up. Temu recently rolled out a major update to their affiliate program, and it's no longer just about commissions. There are now new ways to unlock free physical items, bonus rewards, and exclusive promotions that regular users don't see. Let me explain everything step by step so you don't miss anything. Before we start, I've put the official Temu affiliate link right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment so you can follow along easily. Step 1. Join the Temu affiliate program first. Click the affiliate link in the description. This takes you directly to Temu's official affiliate sign-up page. You can join using your email, your phone number, or an existing Temu account. The sign-up process is quick and usually takes just a couple of minutes. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard. Step 2. Open your affiliate dashboard. After joining, open the Temu app or website and go to your affiliate dashboard. This is where the update really matters. Inside the dashboard, you'll now see your affiliate links, reward progress tracking, bonus reward sections, and affiliate-only free item promotions. These sections are not available to regular Temu users. Step 3. Understand how free stuff unlocks. With the updated program, Temu now offers free product rewards to affiliates. These are not coupons, points, or store credits. They are real physical items that get shipped to you. Free items unlock when certain activity milestones are reached. This can include people clicking your affiliate link, new users signing up through your link, or hitting specific progress levels shown in your dashboard. The available items rotate and availability changes often, which is why checking the dashboard regularly is important. Step 4. Share your affiliate link. To make progress, you simply share your affiliate link. This doesn't require a big audience. You can send the link to friends or family, share it privately, or post it once online. Even small activity can start unlocking rewards. Step 5. Track progress and claim rewards. Inside your affiliate dashboard, you can track link clicks, signups, unlocked rewards, and bonus progress. Everything updates in real time so you can clearly see what's working. Once a reward unlocks, make sure you claim it before it expires, because some bonuses are time limited. Important things most people miss. A few things to keep in mind. Rewards only track if people use your affiliate link. Old affiliate links may stop working after updates. Some free items and bonuses expire if not claimed. That's why it's important to always use the latest affiliate link, which I've kept updated in the description. Final thoughts. The Temu affiliate program has changed a lot with this update. It's no longer just about earning commissions. It's also about free stuff, bonus rewards, and exclusive perks. If you ignored it before, this update makes it worth checking again. Use the link in the description, open your affiliate dashboard, and see what rewards are available for you right now. And if you've already joined, comment below and tell me, are you seeing the new free item rewards yet?